Hello, in this video, we are doing balancing of equations. In balancing of equations, number of atoms on the reactant side should be equal to number of atoms on the product side. So before the arrow are called reactant side, after the arrow is called product side. So we'll count number of atoms and balance them. We cannot change the formula like 2 and 3, we cannot change this. So before the formula, we just draw a little line so that we know we can write some number 1 or 2 or 3 to count number of atoms and balance. For example, like here, N2 plus H2 gives NH3. So how many nitrogen atoms? 2 here. So here nitrogen, this is the only place to write. We can write 2 here. So now we have 2 nitrogens right side, 2 nitrogens on the left side. But how many hydrogens? We have 6 hydrogens on the right side. To make 6 hydrogens, what number you will write? 3. So 3 times 2, 6 hydrogens. So this equation is balanced. The 6 hydrogens we have, here also 6 hydrogens. 2 times 3, 6, and 2 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens. Okay, next, potassium chlorate, KClO3, decomposes to give KCl plus oxygen. Okay, one potassium, one chlorine, one chlorine. Here 3 oxygens, here 2 oxygens. So 3 and 2 always you can cross multiply. So 3 times 2 is 6. So to make 6, we write here 3. So 3 times 2, 6 oxygens. Here also to make 6 oxygens, we write here 2. So 2 times 3, 6 oxygens. Now we have 2 potassium. So this is a place here. So we write here 2 potassium and 2 chlorine. So 2 chlorine and 6 oxygens, 6 oxygens. So this equation is balanced. Similarly, NaCl plus F2 gives NaF and Cl2. Left side we have one sodium and one chlorine, here 2 chlorines. So to wherever less we can add more number to make it equal. So 2 chlorine here is only 1 chlorine. So to make 2, this is the only place to write, we write here 2. So now 2 chlorine, but 2 sodium also we have. So we write here 2. So 2 sodium, 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine, and 2 fluorine, and already we have here 2 fluorine. So this equation is balanced. Similarly, next one. So this is a place to write any number before the formula. So one silver, and we have 2 chlorine here. Here only 1 chlorine. So to make 2, we write here 2. So 2 chlorine but 2 silver we have. So we write here 2 Ag. So 2 Ag, and 2 nitrate. NO3 is called nitrate. So we have 2 nitrates. And here also we have 2 nitrates. NO3 whole twice. So 2 nitrates. 1 magnesium, 2 chlorine left side, 2 chlorine on the right side. So this equation is balanced. Okay, next one. So we draw a little line to write any number. Okay, aluminum bromide plus potassium sulfate gives potassium bromide and aluminum sulfate. So one aluminum, here Al2, there are 2 aluminums. So this is a place to write here, to be write here 2. So 2 aluminum, 2 aluminum. How many bromine? So 2 times 3, 6 bromine atoms. So here bromine, we have to write here 6. The 6 bromine atoms, but also we have 6 potassium atoms. So here 2 potassium already there. To make it 6, we multiply by 3. So 3 times 2, 6 potassiums. And 3 sulfate, SO4 is sulfate, so 3 sulfate. So here also we have 3 sulfate. So again check 2 aluminum and 2 aluminum, 6 bromine, and 6 potassium, and 6 potassium, and 3 sulfate here and 3 sulfate here. Similarly, next one, number 6. Ferric chloride FeCl3 plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide, gives ferric hydroxide plus sodium chloride. Okay, 1 Fe, 3 chlorine, Cl3. So 3 chlorine atoms. So chlorine is here, so we write here 3. So 3 chlorine atom, but also we have 3 sodium atoms. So we write here 3 for sodium. So 3 sodium. But how many hydroxide? OH is hydroxide, so 3 hydroxide. So OH whole thrice, so 3 hydroxide, 1 Fe. So these all atoms are balanced. Okay, next question. Phosphorus plus oxygen gives diphosphorus pentaoxide. So, two phosphorus here, and here two oxygens, here five oxygens. 2 and 5, we have to cross multiply to make it 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So to make 10, here we write 5. 5 times 2 is 10 oxygens. To make 10 oxygens here, we write here 2. So 2 times 5, 10 oxygens. But how many phosphorus? 2 times 2, 4 phosphorus. So we write here 4. Similarly, next one, sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. So one sodium, two hydrogens here, two and one, three hydrogens. So, so three and here is one. So we write here two water molecules, so four hydrogens it becomes. So to make it four hydrogens, we write here two. Two already we have here, so we write two here. So two hydrogens here, two here, four hydrogens. But we have two oxygens. Here also we have two oxygens and two sodiums. So we write here two sodium. Okay. Ag2O, silver oxide gives Ag plus O2. So Ag2, there are two silver atoms. So we write here two. And there are two oxygen atoms. Here is only one oxygen atom. So we write here 2. So now we have two oxygens, but how many silver? 4 silvers. So we make it 4 here. 4 silver atoms. So check here. 2 times 2, 4 silver, 2 oxygens and 2 oxygens. So equation is balanced. S8 sulfur plus oxygen gives sulfur trioxide. So here 8 sulfur atoms are 8. So we write here 8. So 8 sulfur, but how many oxygens? 8 times 3, 24 oxygens. So to write 24, what number you multiply? 12. So 12 twos, 24. So 24 oxygens, left side, right side 24 oxygens, 8 sulfur, 8 sulfur. So this equation is balanced. I hope you understand. You can practice more equations. So more practice you do, you can do easily balancing. Thank you.